Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous French fashion designer born 1990 in the south of France in the beautiful Provence but now established in Paris with his full name Simon Porte Jacquemus, but the name of his fashion label is simply Jacuemus. So how do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation? I see videos here on YouTube that simply butcher his name, so we need to get things right. How do you go about pronouncing this with the typical French pronunciation? Jacuemus. Jacuemus. Of course, in French, the sound of the letter U is not U, but rather U. So Jacuemus, Simon Porte Jacquemus fashion label. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the top luxury brands from France and Switzerland, here are many more videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.